And I'm Jen Bernstein. More now from the Fox 61 vaccine team in the wake of the big announcement from the FDA. Pfizer getting full approval from the FDA on its COVID-19 vaccine. U.S. leaders hope this move will encourage those who haven't gotten their COVID-19 vaccine to roll up their sleeve and get the jab.
Dr. Rick Martinello, Medical Director of Infection Prevention at Yale New Haven Health, joining us now to talk about this announcement from the feds. Dr. Martinello, thanks for joining us here on the News at 4.
Thank you for having me.
So big news here nationwide and in Connecticut. Talk a little bit about the process that it takes for the FDA to give full approval for a vaccine, because we know that this has been a long time coming and a lot of people waiting for this announcement.
Well, normally this is a process that takes the FDA about 8 to 10 months, sometimes a year to accomplish. But they did make this a priority, put a lot of resources into this approval. And so they were able to perform it about 40% more quickly than they usually do. And these approval processes are really involved. One big aspect, of course, is that from the clinical trials, the FDA looked at data very carefully of about 12,000 patients who had received the vaccine more than 6 months ago. So they had a lot of long-term follow-up from those individuals. But also the FDA goes out to the manufacturing plants to make sure that the manufacturing process is all in alignment with good practices. And they also do a lot of testing of different lots of vaccine to make sure that everything is just as it should be. So this approval process is really a very extensive one. And I think it does provide us even much more confidence in how well that vaccine works and how safe it is.
What do you think this approval will mean for Connecticut's vaccination numbers?
Well, we expect the numbers to go up, and we think that while so many people across Connecticut have been vaccinated already, we do hear about people who have been hesitant and concerned about what the long-term safety is. I think this now, it gives us that confidence to be able to come out and say that the long-term safety data is there. The FDA has approved it for full licensure, and now I think everybody can feel very confident about going out and getting vaccinated if they haven't been already.
Bit of a timely question here, Dr. Martinello, as we're going back into school season. Right now, the full approval is only for ages 16 and older. How much longer do you think it's going to take before we see that 12 to 15 age range fully approved?
Well, we think it's still going to be a number of months. And so we are looking forward to that, because it is going to be very important for us to get our younger children in our population vaccinated.
All right, Dr. Rick Martinello from Yale New Haven Health, thank you so much for joining us today on the Fox 61 News. We very much appreciate your time.
Thank you.